to upload a company seal. Log onto your SigningCloud app. Click on Signature Settings. Tap on the plus button and select one of the options provided. Option 1. Uploading a photo. Click on Gallery and select your seal photo from your photo album or gallery. Tap on Save at the top right of your screen to save the photo as your seal. Option 2. Taking a picture. Take a photo of your seal by selecting Camera. Simply snap a picture of your seal and ensure that the background color is white. Crop or adjust the image to your satisfaction and click Save. You've now successfully uploaded your company seal. You may add a maximum of 5 seals. To delete a seal, tap and hold on the seal that you wish to remove. Then, click Delete.
SigningCloud. Sign with confidence.